Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 22nd. This is my PM recap for gold, and we're going to start off on the 4-hour time frame. So gold definitely kept on pushing up today. This morning I was saying if you get like a bounce and a break of structure at a Fibonacci level, that's what would tell me to start looking for shorts. Did we ever see that bounce break of structure? Definitely not. Instead, what did we see on like the 4 to 2 hour time frame, which is tuned correctly? Is high, low, high, low, high, low, high. Still no break of structure. Still no reason to think that we should be looking for shorts. This is the new all-time high level right there. And honestly, even if it is a way B, it definitely could make new highs for sure. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, when it does start making a pullback, I personally wouldn't be trying to go short, but I definitely would be looking for 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks to go long. I would definitely be looking for 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks to go long, 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks to go long. So when it finally does start to turn down, I would be waiting patiently for a three-way pullback to a Fibonacci retracement level, another engulfing move to the upside to continue to look for long entries, at least until that 2 to 4 hour time frame gives us a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.